Understanding TIG Welding, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term used in the world of manufacturing and engineering, TIG welding. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what TIG welding means and where it's used. TIG welding stands for tungsten inert gas welding. It's a type of welding process used to join metals. The word tungsten refers to a strong metal used in the welding process, known for its high melting point. Inert gas, usually argon, acts as a shield to protect the welded area from contamination. In TIG welding, an electric arc is formed between a tungsten electrode and the metal being welded. This arc heats and melts the metal, allowing it to fuse together. A key characteristic of TIG welding is the use of an inert gas, which helps to create a clean and high-quality weld. TIG welding is widely used in various industries. It's especially popular for welding thin materials like stainless steel, aluminum, or copper. This technique is valued for its precision and ability to produce strong, high-quality welds. It's commonly used in the aerospace industry, automotive repair, and art sculptures. Understanding terms like TIG welding can enrich your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in engineering, manufacturing, or technical fields. It also helps in understanding how everyday objects around us are made and the technology behind them. I hope this video has helped demystify the term TIG welding and added a new word to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language also means exploring the diverse contexts in which it's used. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.